Hey guys, wanted to give you an update on things going on here in the shop. I haven't had any videos up now in almost 2 weeks. I've been busy, been away doing some work out of the shop. Just got back this week and had to get some things finished up before I could get back on my regular projects. Was working on these VW doors here. I had to get the body work done on them. They had a lot of rust in the bottoms of them, so I had to fix all that, make a bunch of pieces for them, body work them out, get them jammed in. The front sides are just left in primer, so they can go on the car. The car's going to get finished somewhere else. They just want me to fix up that part of the doors and get them jammed. So what I've been doing is working on the 65 Chevelle. I got some videos coming up on that, on doing this dash repair. As you can see, I got the lower dash piece replaced on it. I had to pull the glass out. Dash was all apart in it. I had to fix a bunch of rust in the dash too. So we got that all back together, got the glass in it, got all new trim clips in it for it. So all that can go back together, but we're going to hold off on putting a trim on because this car is probably going to get a paint job and they'll just have to take it back off again. So that's where we're at with that project. I took some time today to get the shop cleaned up. You know, it's cleaner than it was. It's about as clean as it's going to get right now. I just got so much stuff in here. It's kind of hard to keep everything in its place. But we got the Mercedes moved, got the booth back opened up. Was waiting to get those doors finished to open the door, to open up the doors on the booth. So next thing we're going to move on to, we're going to get back on the Challenger, 71 Challenger project. And we're going to start doing our rust repair and sheet metal replacement on this car. Going to get these rocker panels. I got to fabricate some pieces for these. It's not worth replacing that whole rocker to fix this back part. I can make those pieces up. They're pretty easy to do. So I'll get those fixed. Probably do the outer wheel houses and the trunk extensions for now. Get that done. And then we'll move back onto the Mercedes and start doing some more rust repair on that car. I know you're tired of watching me do rust repair, but right now that's what I got going on in the shop, so that's all I got to video. You'll see me do some paint work on the Chevelle. I made sure I got some footage of that, getting some stuff painted. And yeah, so that's where we're at with stuff. Just kind of keep things rolling. Go through the Mercedes, then we'll move back to Project Zombie, get some more work done on that. Then probably go back on the Chevelle. May squeeze the Jeep in here and get a little bit more done on that one. I've got a newer Thunderbird coming in. I got to put some trim pieces on for a guy I did some work for a few years ago. So we're staying busy. Just got a lot going on. I haven't had time to sit down and edit any stuff. I've been watching a lot of stuff. I've been keeping up with the community, not competition guys. And just wanted to give a shout out to Luke. He's doing as well as he can, trying to get healthy, keep his channel going. So give some love to Coastal Auto Reaction if you haven't already. Check out their page, subscribe to their stuff. They've got some really good content on there. Mopar guys, you'll love them. They're Mopar guys too. They're up there in Canada, over on the west end of Canada. And check out DD Speed Shop. He's got always got a lot of good stuff going on. And I sent some pieces up to him for the satellite. He needed side markers for the front fenders, and I had like 6 extra ones from cars that I stripped out that were ratty looking ones, which goes right along with his style of cars. And if I ever get my car finished, I'll probably put new ones in mine. So speaking of my 68 Coronet, I finally got it running again. I had to fix the starter situation in it. The little piece that the nose of the starter sits in the bell housing had come loose, allowed the starter to shift, so when it was kicking in, it was hitting the flywheel, wouldn't let it engage in the teeth. Simple fix. I thought the starter was bad, ended up not needing the starter, just had to tighten everything up. Been in there 20 some odd years, first time it's come loose, so that's not too bad. Hopefully it won't come loose again for quite a while. So that's what we got going on. I'm going to sit down tonight, get some stuff edited, and have a series of videos on the Chevelle put out over the next week and a half or so. I'll be recording some stuff on the Challenger so you can see the progress going on in that car, and we're just going to keep bringing them to you. So remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Give me a thumbs up on the likes on the videos. Leave me some comments. Share these videos with your friends. Help my channel grow. I've been growing. If you haven't seen, I did a guest appearance on Indy Me 2. You can find him on YouTube. His name is Jerry. He lives just down in Spartanburg, not too far from here. I met up with him. You saw him in my video of when I went to AMD to pick up the sheet metal for the Challenger. Well, he did a little spot for his channel, and he had that on earlier this week, and gave me quite a boost in my subscriptions. I got 20 more followers after that video, so it helps when you share videos across and with each other to help each other's channels grow. This is what community, not competition, is all about. It's about helping each other grow, helping each other's channels gain popularity, so that we can all continue to keep bringing content to everybody out there. So please do your part. Subscribe, share, like, and keep watching the videos, because that view time is important also. Thanks again. We'll see you soon.